Friends, let us discuss potential energy of a single charge in an external field. How to determine the potential energy of a charge in an external field of field intensity E, which is not produced by the charge. The external source that could be known, unknown, unspecified, but its electric field intensity is known and the electrostatic potential V due to the external source is known. Now, we imagine that external field is not affected by the charge. If Q is very small, then it is not affected by the external field. The potential, it may vary from point to point. If VR, if this is the external potential at any point, let me call that point is P point. At this point P, this is the potential due to the external field. Having position vector r, this r represent position vector at point P. Then, by the definition, work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to the point P is equal to V. Imagine unit positive charge is present at infinity, and to bring that unit positive charge from infinity to this point P, that time potential will be V. Now, let us bring Q charge from infinity to the given point. Now, work done in bringing this plus Q charge from infinity to this point P, then work done written as work done to bring this Q charge from infinity to point P. Then that work done written as is equal to Q into potential. Potential will be V in. This is the potential due to external field. We know that this work is stored in potential energy of a system of charge Q. Here Q charge is present here. Let me draw that Q charge. The potential energy of a single charge at position R in an external field it is written as that potential energy is equal to Q into V. V is the external potential. R is the position or the position vector, while Q is the charge. In this way, for a single charge, the potential energy written as Q into V, where R is the location. Now, let us determine potential energy for a system of two charges. Potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. Now, from this above topic, here, if in the system at point P, potential due to the external field is V, and if we bring that Q from infinity to this point P, that time potential energy written as potential energy is equal to Q into V into the position vector. Now, if Q2 charge is at infinity, we have to bring that Q2 charge from infinity to the another location. Suppose here at R2 location. We say that at R2 location. Then work done not only against the field but also the force due to this Q1. Here is a Q1. When we bring this Q2 from infinity to this location, let me call R2 location. Here is R1 location. Then here is a certain work. This work done is not only against the external field but also because of the force due to this Q1. And therefore, we can write here work done on Q2 against the external field, against external field, work done against external field, that work done is written as Q2, then V, and the position is R2 vector. And work done on Q2 against the field is written here, work done on Q2 against force due to Q1. It can be Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, and if the distance between the two charges is R12, if this distance is considered as R12, then the work done on Q2 against the force due to Q1 will be right in this way. By the principle of superposition of field, we add this work done on Q2 against the two fields. This work done is against the external field, while this work done is to this Q1. We can say that here the field due to Q1. Therefore, by the principle of superposition for the field, we have to add work done in bringing R2, it can be written as Q2 and this potential due to the external field and 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. Thus, the total work in assembling system of two charges is equal to, we know that this is nothing but first potential energy and means first work for this Q1 only, and this is nothing but work on Q2. We have to add both this work, then we get Q1 V R1. This is nothing but potential or the work done for this Q1 charge at position R1 plus this work done for Q2 charge Q2 V R2 its location plus this one written as Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12. In this way, this work is stored in form of potential energy. Then the potential energy written as first charge into the potential due to the external field plus second charge and the potential due to the external field plus work done against the field due to the first charge, and in this way we can write the potential energy for the two charge system.